We have came to issue this message. When we issued this message, the governor just talked about a new virus that came around. And this new virus is called the Mommy Longlegs virus, or at least that's what we call it, and it's very dangerous. Don't get near someone who has it. Tips, some simple symptoms, look them up yourself. I just recommend looking them up yourself instead. But I think that's it for the end of today's report. So yeah, good luck, and hope you all have a great day. We will now be shutting off the EAS for now. Alright, this new virus has been spreading across the U.S. The soldiers were supposed to be containing it, but for some reason, they lied, and the virus was not contained. So, they let all the infected escape and spread it around the entire U.S. We don't know what will happen next. Soon, we might have a national alert to talk about what might be going on here. And who knows what some president will do within a few years, who knows. But whatever he does, we will always have judgment and Congress and everything else like that. And all that sort of stuff. We will always have Congress. Congress! And as my final message for me saying this voiceover, my final message is you stay away from that virus. Please make sure to lock all doors and make sure to lock all windows. Go in the safest room in your house with no windows, just a door. And barricade your front door. Try to barricade yourself in with as much stuff as possible, just to make sure that none of the infected can break in. This is an infected apocalypse right now. So, and the U.S. military should be coming to deal with it. It'll all be over soon. Hang in tight. Don't get caught. Don't panic. Don't go full panic mode. Alright? Good luck for now. Okay. In one moment, we'll have the Vice President speak to us about what's going on here. Please give us one moment. Please stand by. Please stand by. This is a civil emergency. Please stand by. This is not a test. Please stand by. Okay, I'm former Vice President, and no. What is going on here in the U.S. might just end everyone who lives here. It might just end everyone who lives in the U.S. right now. All of us can go into panic now. There's nothing I can say about it other than we have the Mommy Longlegs virus attacking us, a zombie virus attacking us. Yeah, it's been a while since that last report, and yeah. So, citizens, I think this is it for the U.S. I think the U.S. is done for. Honestly, I think the US is perfectly done for. So, now, you can scream and go panic in a hectic kind of thing as much as you want. This is the last time we're going to play the US presentation. Bow, bow, bow. And our US nation has now been giving up. It has fallen. Our nation has fallen. Our president has given up. He has given up. And our president has given up. Vice president doesn't want to work. So, the US has no president anymore. Blah, blah, blah. That doesn't mean no laws, though. I'll be watching. So, anyway, the president gave up. He straight up gave up. This is the last time the EAS will be powered on, and the last time it'll ever be used. So, say bye to the EAS. It will be going away now. Oh yeah, quick disclaimer. This is not a real EAS. This might use valid EAS tones. So please do not actually put this on the air. Because if you do, you might end up in jail. And same thing if you were to put it on the radio. So don't do that either. This is just for educational purposes and for fun, honestly. Because Poppy Playtime is a good game. So I made an entire EAS about it. Anyways, with this disclaimer out of the way, good luck. See you all next time. Goodbye. The Random Things Maker. Villager News. Done. Stop the cap. Ha!